AI is transforming the way that we work, and Adobe Photoshop is at the forefront of this revolution. With new AI-driven features, you're able to achieve more in less time, allowing your creativity to flow. Let's take a look at some of these exciting new AI-driven features that were recently released.
Select the area of your image. Then type in your desired change and let Adobe do its magic. You will get the various results at just a click of a button. Here's a little tip for you. If you make a selection, but you leave your generative fill blank and you click generate, it will then generate from your existing image. You're going to use your cropping tool and you're just going to expand the image by dragging out the sizing. Make sure at the top of your screen that you choose Generative Expand and click Generate. Photoshop will automatically generate the surrounding content to seamlessly blend with the rest of your image. You can now choose the best choice from the options provided in the Properties panel. Enhance your image's resolution. Come to the Filter menu, choose Neural Filters. Once it is loaded, choose Super Zoom, and then here you can decide at how many times you would like to increase the resolution of that image or zoom that image. You can also choose to remove artifacts. You can adjust your noise reduction or sharpen your image depending on what it is you want. And do you want to enhance any face detail if you're using an image with a face? Once the processing is done, you can choose how you would like to output it as a new document or as a new layer. And you will now see that I have a second document open with an enlarged image on this contextual taskbar, because as you are working within Photoshop, it will give you various suggestions based on what it is that you are doing.
Why settle for less when you can leverage the power of AI in your design process? At Magenta SA, we help teams stay ahead of the curve with customized training on the latest Adobe features, including the AI tools. Get ready to lift your skills to the next level. Contact us today to schedule a skills gap assessment to see how we can tailor our training to meet your needs.